We have been lied to on how to trade the RSI, that is the relative strength index. If you look at it here, the common concept is if market come into oversold condition, you buy the market for market to move upward. If you look at this very area, if market move into this area, you should also buy. Then if market come into overbought condition, you should sell the market. If you look at it, market did not really obey. And if you look at this very area and you sold because market was at overbought condition at this very point, market did not come back to the downside. The same thing at this very area and the same thing at this very point. So there is a way you can trade the RSI instead of trading overbought and oversold condition. That is what I'll be talking about in this very video. So watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. Right here on the usdjpy chart, RSI lie. Okay, so from this very point, if you take a buy position, you should be in profit. If you take a buy position, you should be in profit. So the question is, did this overbought and oversold condition work in RSI? The point is, yes, it actually worked, but in a very specific condition. So if you are new to RSI, if you look at my cursor right here, from this very point, this very area where we have 70%, upward is overbought condition. So from this very dotted line right here, upward is overbought condition. That means if this line enter into this very area, the market has overbuy. That means it's going to come back to the downside. And from this 30% mark from here downward is oversold condition. That means if market enter into this very region, it is a good buy opportunity. Market is going to come back to the upside. Now, this very idea is good, is perfect, but it is not always nice to trade the market in this direction in the case where market is having serious momentum. One thing you have to also note in trading RSI, you must note that the RSI is a momentum indicator. It shows you the direction of momentum. So if you understand that concept very well, then it will further position you on how you should trade the RSI and not trading it the normal way of selling from overbought condition and buying from oversold condition. And that is what I'll be showing you right now. If you look at this very chart right here, it discovered that from this very area, market move upward, come back to the downside, move upward, come back to the downside. In this very area, it means that market is in a very straight upward trend. Okay, so the upside market is moving upward. In this case, you don't need to sell from overbought condition. You don't need to sell from there. Reason why, market momentum is heading upward. Therefore, you only need to buy the market. So the first thing you have to identify is creation of new highs. So in this very case, since we have the market move upward, create a new high higher than this very area. If the market come back down and the RSI enter into oversold condition, then we want to still buy the market. Why? Because market creates a new high higher than the previous high, and then if it move upward again to this very point and then come back to the downside and the RSI enter into the oversold condition, we also want to buy the market to the upside, and this continue like that. So in this very case as well, we will not be selling the market. The reason is because market has not created any new low lower than the previous low, which is this very point right here and this other point right here. So market come back to the downside, did not create any new low lower than the previous low at this very point. So we still buy the market from this very point to the upside. So we're not going to sell at this very area because we don't know what the condition of the market may be, because market is still in an uptrend. So the main thing here is that you are trading in line with momentum, because the RSI is not just trading overbought and oversold condition, It is about the momentum of the market. So once you understand that the momentum of the market is moving upward or in a particular direction, then you trade the RSI in line with that direction. If you look at this very area as well, it is covered that from this very point, if you sell from here, then you should be in massive loss, okay? Because market did not really come back to the downside. But if you are in a buy position, you should be in the right direction of the market. And the reason is because the market is in an upward trend. So momentum is heading upward. So if you take this very buy position from this very area, you should be in good profit. If you take a sell position from this very point, you should be in loss. So if you look at it from this very analysis, you discover that if you trade the RSI in line with market momentum, you should be profitable 70 to 80% of the time. This is very, very practical. Instead of you just buying at oversold and selling at overbought, it is wise for you to define the direction of the market by taking note of the highs and the lows, and then you trade in that direction. Once you can do that, then you will be in the right direction of the market. That means you should erase the concept of selling from overbought condition and buying at oversold condition. Rather, you trade in line with the market momentum and do one thing. In this very case, we are only buying the market from oversold condition. Like you can see right here, this very point is a good entry position, and then if you look at this very area, it's also a good entry position for a buy opportunity. And then if you look at this very area as well, it's a good entry position for a buy opportunity market to come back to the upside. And then this very point is also a good entry position for market to move to the upside. So if you look at the sell opportunity that is on this chart, you see this very area right here, market did not really come back to the downside. You could have been stopped out. And then if you look at this very area as well, where we have this very sell opportunity, you could have been stopped out as well. This one could have been in profit or possibly close half. And then if you look at this very area, it could have been in loss. This very could have been in profit. This very one could have been in loss. This could have been in loss, and this could have been in loss as well. So if you look at it, the losses here is about 4 to 5, but the win is just about 2. Okay, so this is very important. So you trade the RSI in line with market momentum, and don't just because the RSI enter into oversold condition, you just buy the market, or enter into overbought condition, you just sell the market. Don't trade the RSI that way. Rather trade in line with market momentum, as I've explained in these very videos. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video, so check it out and do your registration. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.